guys, we are going to Cars and Coffee Scottsdale. Sorry, I'm yelling because there's like a million things happening right now. Yeah, Cars and Coffee Scottsdale. Ever since I moved to this area, that's the one Cars and Coffee I haven't been to, and it's supposedly the best because like I think they charge like a membership fee to even get in and park your car. I'm not parking the Audi R8. As you guys know, I'm taking my twin turbo R8 to this just because I take it to everything. I'm not parking my R8 there. I think it's like $10 to park it in the show. I just don't care. It's not washed. It doesn't, you know, look great or anything. I'm not parking it. I just want to go see the cars because there's some pretty rare cars, like literally like Conan's Eggs, Pagani's, sometimes they're Bugattis, F40s, classic, you know, the legendary Ferraris. And that stuff is cool to me because I really don't get to see those things in person except at like super high-end like shows. Before I continue, I just want to say thank you so much guys for 100,000 subscribers. I hit that mark yesterday at some point. I will be doing a different, totally separate video about that and everything, but I just wanted to mention thank you. A lot of you are commenting about it. Thank you so much. I appreciate your guys' feedback and support. The S2000 is behind me. We're starting the day going to Cars and Coffee, but we're actually gonna be doing sorry, I'm putting on the heat and the heated seats. But we're actually gonna be paint prepping the S2000, finishing it up, and then either tonight we're gonna be start spraying, or tomorrow, 100% sure, we're gonna start spraying the paint. I actually have to get the paint today and have it ordered and paint matched for the paint code and everything like that. Members parking is over there and they charge like $10, and I'm not paying $10 even though I have an R8. This place already got some nice cars anyway. Look at all this shit. This color's nice. That's really pretty. Should paint the S2000 that color. Look how baller this is. That's so nice. It's a Bentley. I don't know what year. It's like early 2000s, I want to say. Dude, that is so nice. This is basically the expensive version of that Mercedes S-Class I had. That was really comfy too, even for something that old. It's huge though. Yeah, this is an MP4. Really wanted one because they're kind of like, they start at like 80,000. But apparently they have like so many electrical issues. It's even more, this is even more baller than the one we saw. It's so long. One better. It's all futuristic cars, oh no. I don't know. Do you like that? You like that one? You like that red one?
I mean, except for the weird collection thing going on.
Oh, the plastic thing in the front?
Yeah.
That's for US spec to meet safety standards. Yeah.
And
like
if the underneath just came out a little bit more.
Yeah, like a lip.
Okay.
Yeah, in the late 80s, they started doing all this safety crap. You remember how my Mercedes, it had those ugly two wedges on the bumpers? Left and right. That's for like to meet, and all they did was change the bumper. That's it. They didn't actually design it, but it has stripes that looks like pictures of it. Look at GTR, because someone's gonna say, look at GTR. I'm so used to seeing them, honestly. Yeah, this is 90s. This is 90s, so. Yeah, they're nice.
No running. Do you see anyone
You know,
else
they're nowhere near as like pleasurable to drive like the new generation.
Okay, I isn't too dead.
They're really pretty. They're a lot prettier than the new generation of Ford GTs, like the brand new ones.
Dad and
You know, there probably is a new Ford GT here too. So I can compare. So that's the, okay, so although that's a replica right there, you see it, that yellow one?
Yeah.
That's the original Ford GT. That's the one they made as a 50th year anniversary, I think, something like that. That one they just pulled out. And then they have a brand new one, which you saw at the New York Auto Show multiple times and other places, which is too futuristic looking for me. There's another Ford GT right there, that black one.
Yeah.
Do you want to take a picture of it?
No.
Is that one
I like it.
stationary? Yeah, but they're like genuinely like the prettiest American cars. Because the GT.
Yeah, I like this little thing. What is that, a Renault or something?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. Oh wow, that has to have been imported.
Yeah.
I forgot what Renault is. Is that French? Is it French? Is it It's not British.
Well,
It's not.
somewhere that drives on the left side.
What do you mean on the left side?
Like
most
our
of Europe is on the left side except UK.
Oh.
Yeah, Germany and all that stuff is on the left side like us. Or I'm sorry, they drive on the right side, but they're. Can you search what that is? A Renault Turbo 2? What is it? What company is that? Like, I know what company it is. It's Renault, but like what is it called? What is it called?
Like,
what?
where is it manufactured?
Yeah, like what country? I think it's France.
France.
It is France. Okay, that's what I thought.
Oh, well, the
'Cause
older,
Citroen-
like the first gen is France, and then
Belgium. Well, Belgium is basically France. I mean, it's right there. They make waffles. But yeah, well, I know it's Renault and Citroen are the two real like.
Yeah, I saw
They-
them a lot when I was in Slovakia.
Yeah, they don't sell Citroens or Renaults here at all. Just at all. Like you have to be imported. Like this is obviously
You want
imported.
to get that Lamborghini SUV? Someone recommended
Yeah,
that
so I
too.
was like, what? I don't even know how much it costs. It's probably like $250, something like that. You go
For
sit in.
maintenance, yeah.
Do you want to go sit in the Murcielago, Rachel?
No.
You want to be an asshole and just like take your shit?
No.
I should go sit in a fart.
I've sat in
I'm gonna fart in
sat in
it.
a Ferrari before that.
Oh my God, Rachel. I've sat in an R8. I've never driven any exotic besides an R8, which is kind of pathetic.
My dad and uncle and aunt got my grandpa for his birthday. Like you could ride it, like drive the Ferrari around the track a couple
Oh
times.
yeah. Yeah, that stuff is annoying. It's like you pay $150 and they give you like 3 laps. That's all they let you do.
Not
Well,
even a good amount.
some are different. I don't know how long ago this is, but the new stuff is, yeah. See, that's the real Swan Neck, the good one. I have the caca one. But that goes on that. Like the Liberty Walk one, it goes on that. I will take a donut if I can get rid of this stuff in my left hand.
Just text me. Okay. Actually, my next place. Where are you?
Free donuts.
I want to take a picture
Of what?
of this because I actually like that.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
You like a GTR then?
Only like that. Not some basic ass GTR.
This is like the most basic GTR that people
But-
do.
Same. Over
Okay.
there where that's wrapped
I'm
purple
just saying-
and that's it.
I'm just saying the Liberty Walk is really common for this car. I asked you if you wanted me to get a GTR, you're like, no.
Because I don't want you to.
I'd be like every YouTuber though. It's a rule of YouTube that if you break 500,000 subscribers, you have to get an R35 GTR. Doesn't matter if you're a gamer, doesn't matter if you're, I don't know, a bike rider, it doesn't matter.
Stupid.
No, I swear to God, like
Oh,
every
shit.
single person gets
I want
one.
to take a picture of this.
It's so quiet. Sounds like your car. Look at the new Supra that's just sitting over there. It's just by itself.
I really don't like that.
I don't know. I mean, it's like, it's cool to see people
I don't
modify.
really like old ones.
You know what it is? It's exactly like the SEMA this year is all Supras. Just like when the FRS and BRZ came out, everyone was doing Liberty Walk. You know, everyone at SEMA had a wide body BRZ or FRS when it came out. So it's the same thing. Wonder what YouTuber owns this. Look at the dog over there, honey. Look at the dog over there.
Oh, that's
The Thai looking thing. Oh. Rachel. An E-Type. But it's finally a coupe E-Type, not a convertible. Remember how all...
Gray thing?
Yeah. You remember how all I
And
see...
the red one?
All I see here are convertible
Yeah, there's-
E-Types. Yeah, those are all convertible though. That's a coupe. The coupe one is the one I've never ever seen. Oh my God. Prettiest car. Oh, there's 2 Ford. No, there's 3 Ford. Okay, there's a lot of Ford GTs over there. I couldn't tell. I kept seeing one as I said. The chrome is touching the ground. Yeah, but so this is the coupe. Every single. Oh, there's another coupe over there. So every time I've seen one in Arizona, they're all convertibles. Finally, there's a coupe one. Yeah, we saw two side by side that are convertibles, like this one. And these are two coupes in a convertible. What is that little yellow thing over there? It looks like a teardrop. Come here.
That's what I need.
On my way. Oh my god, there's a Ferrari Enzo over there.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4 GT. There's a fourth one down there that has the Gulf Racing livery colors. Yeah. See, that's the. Oh, that, I don't know if that's an original one, but that's the GT4. It's like trying to track a caterpillar. That's a Ferrari. Okay, so this is a GT40. Have we?
I have.
Where? This color? With this livery?
I'm pretty
Well,
sure.
that yellow one we just saw has been
I'm
a
pretty
pass
sure
a
I've
bunch
seen that before.
Mitchell, there's a Ferrari Enzo. So this is the.
I don't like it.
Guess how
It
much
looks like a fucking vacuum.
Guess how much it costs? How much it's
7
worth?
million.
I don't know. It might be. It might actually be worth that much. I really don't remember what the last one sold for.
This is
Just
this
like
little rocket ship.
my grandma
What
should
Amelia
get.
Earhart.
Dodge boys.
I want to get a picture of both of them.
What?
That's your
I think this is a Liberty Walk or a Rocket Bunny kit for a 12C. I forgot which one it is, but it's like the bolt-on over fender. I'm sorry, this isn't even a 12C, dude. They all look the same in the rear. Fuck. It's like a 620 or some shit like that. I don't fucking know. So we just got back from Cars and Coffee. Got all the paint supplies for the S2000. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for 100,000 subscribers. I'm just ending it here because I'd like to separate the Cars and Coffee video with the, sorry, it's loud in here. With the painting video. So I will start the painting video now. Get the S2000 prepped, painted, etc. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the cars that were in that video. There's a lot of rare stuff. Been wanting to go to that event the entire time I've lived in Arizona, but just never had time, or I always forgot about it or something. So yeah, now I had time. Now we had time. So thanks for watching.